A quick video about which tires you shouldn't buy. My buddy showed me what happened to his rubber after just 2.5 summer seasons. Now, the uneven wear on the tires isn't our main concern here. It's not about incorrect tire pressure or not getting an alignment in time. That's not the point of this story. Take a look at this. See these cracks? I can hardly call them micro cracks. They're huge. They're all over all 4 wheels, front and back. The tires have only done about 1.25 summer seasons tops. They weren't used in winter or exposed to any harsh chemicals or environments. This is simply the quality of the rubber. It's currently midsummer 2023. These tires are only 3 years old. They were manufactured in 2020, and after just 3 years, they've started cracking. Sure, I've seen this kind of thing before, but usually on some ancient, off-brand tire that's been around for 15 years or so. But this? 3 years. Just 3 years. That's pretty brutal. I'm not sure if this is a widespread issue or just a one-off case. Let me know what you think in the comments. I always suspected that Linklong wasn't the best tire brand, but this is something new that I didn't expect. So this guy bought 2 brand new Belshina tires. A completely fresh model I've never seen before. Previously, Belshina had the Summer Art Motion line, and this seems to be a continuation of that summer line. To give you a heads up, a friend of mine has already installed these tires. So far he likes them, although of course a few hundred kilometers isn't really enough to judge. It's not much to go on. If I get more objective and detailed information, I'll definitely share it with you guys sometime. That's all I've got for today. Thanks everyone for watching.